Hello loves, thank you so much for clicking on this video and thank you for coming back to watch my videos always. In today's video, we are going to be making creamy homemade tahini. Tahini is just toasted and ground sesame seeds that can be used in so many ways. I will start by toasting 2 cups of whole white sesame seed, and I will be blending that after it has completely cooled down. I will be toasting my seeds for about 5 minutes or until they are lightly fragrant. You don't want to over toast your seed, else your sauce or your tahini leather is going to be bitter. So after it has completely cooled down, I'll transfer this into my Vitamix. You can use any blender of your choice and blend into a nice paste. In few minutes, we are going to get thick paste. I will add a couple tablespoons of olive oil and we are done. You want to blend until you get a very smooth consistency that you will like. This is very easy to make and you will be amazed the recipes that you can make out of this. I will be sharing you in the future different recipes that you can use this tahini to make. We can make cookies, we can make healthy dips, we can make dressings that you will love, and in my next video I will be sharing with you how to use your tahini to make delicious and healthy homemade hummus. That is delicious for your dips, for vegetables, for your bread, and many other more. If you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe and press the notification button so you are notified anytime I upload a new video.